Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to create super engaging hook for your Instagram reels in After Effects. So let's get started. And of course, please don't mind my background. It's like a little bit messy. Now I created the comp and imported the video. Now let's listen what the video is saying. So being a video editor is hard. So first what we're gonna do is like add text. Now as we added the text, now the first thing we're gonna add is drop shadow. So let's add drop shadow. Just wait. Arrange the text properly first, of course. Now add drop shadow. Make it 100, distance 0, and try to see the software how it will look good, like around think 80 will look good, of course. And I think we should lower the opacity like around 82. Yes, around 80 to look. Now copy and paste. Now make sure these words like being a and is hard, all the small words should be upon the big words so it looks clear. Now add a gradient ramp on the small text, just normal gradient ramp, black and white. Now swap the colors, make sure the white is on the top and black is in the bottom. Here's the black one and here's the white one. Make sure the black is little bit low, little bit far away, just not too much. I mean a little too much, like around this. So it's not too much but it's not blending with the white color. So copy this and paste it on is hard. And of course, because this gradient is here and the text is here, we have to rearrange the gradient like this. Something like this. Perfect. Now for the word editor, or you can choose any word like video. I will choose editor. Make the copy, make the color any color you want, like my theme is blue, so I will make the blue color like this, a bright blue color. And now what I'm going to do is add deep glow. Don't change anything, just pick up the pen tool and make any design you want. Something like this. So now looks how cool is looking. Now go in this text under the mask and bump up the feather like around this. Something, play with the expansion and feather so it looks good around like this. Now look how cool this is looking. And for the word video, I will choose the word video and make it a little blue color so it looks like the shadow is upon this text. Something like this, a little bit dark. Okay, this is looking so cool. Now for the word video, I'm gonna choose light sweep, put it on the video, of course upon the drop shadow. Decrease the sweep intensity and play with the thickness and intensity, something like this. Now the color is not too blue and not too white, and the light sweep is white. Make sure the word video is under the word editor too, so the word editor must be more visible. Look how good this is looking. Now control all of these, hit P for the position, make this keyframe, and now you can do anything, like you can make it come from down, up, right or left, anything. Now I'm going to choose left, something like this, not too much of course. Now ease them and make a peak in the left. Choose all of them and make the peak in the left. Do the same thing with opacity. Make keyframe, decrease the opacity, control all of them, F9, and a peak in the left. Okay, it's looking good. So now what we're gonna do is rearrange the text a little bit, something like this. The first one is going to come this being a. Now the second one will be video editor, and last one will be this. Now look. Of course, this is looking damn cool. Look how cool this is looking. And now what you can do is Control D to copy this your video. Hit the rotoscope. Make sure the video above your first layer is not visible. Double tap on this and rotoscope this. I will show you a very cool trick to look professional. Very cool. Oh, okay, it's looking good. So let's freeze it. It will take us some time. Depends on how long the video is, and of course how hard the video is. If it's 10K or maybe in 4K. Now duplicate this layer and delete rotoscope from the below layer. So now it's looking like it's normal, but just wait. Now add the tint in the below layer. Choose color. Like of course, as I said, mine is blue, so I'm gonna choose blue. Something like this. Okay, this looks good. As you can see, the rotoscope is not like perfect, just because it's a tutorial, so I didn't do it perfectly. Now press here, make a keyframe on amount of tint. Tap U, not Control U, of course. Now do this to make a opacity flicker effect. Just randomize it like any randomized stick. On one keyframe it's 0, on another is 100, 60, or now the main goal here is to make it look like it's opacity. Look how gorgeous it's looking. Now add a drop shadow on your video where we rotoscope you. Increase the distance, something like this. Decrease the opacity around like 15 to 20. I will do the 15, and increase the softness, something like this. Now look, it's not very big difference. Now look, but yeah, it's looking good. I think I should change the color, or maybe I should pick from here. Something this, yeah, this looks way better. Now what you can do is add the Gaussian blur in the below layer, something like around 30-35 maybe. Yeah, 30-35 looks way better. Oh wow, it looks damn cool. Now make all of these 3D. Add a camera, one node camera. You can choose any preset, like I'm choosing 35mm. So make a keyframe for position here, drag this here. Now zoom in like this, around like this. Now how good this is looking.
It's then hard. Being the video then hard.
So this is for the video. I will see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and like, and of course please share to your fellow editor friends. And if you are a content creator or a video editor, just wait, I will have a lot of videos for you planned out. So I will see you in the next video.